Hi everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can build e-commerce stores with Framer. By the end of this video you will not only have clear understanding of Framer's capabilities, but you will also be equipped with all the tools needed in order to get the web projects done using this powerful platform. So we're going to start with the fundamentals, the layouts, interactions and animations. It's worth emphasizing just how capable the platform is in this area, as Framer excels at creating super custom layouts, complex interactions, and even 3D animations, all without requiring a single line of code. So let's start by examining our starting point. In our Framer file, we have several components already in place. A navigation bar, a hero section, and a feature section. These form the foundation of our site, but we'll be expanding on them significantly. After these components, we have our assets, and those include typography styles such as header 1, header 2, header 3, and primary and secondary color buttons. Having these assets predefined will help us maintain consistency throughout our design process. So I have an example site idea right here. I'm going to upload a random logo and a catchy headline. There is also some promotional text depending on what kind of site you already have, and you might also need some more sections to create a compelling full-fledged website that will convince potential customers to actually make a purchase on your website. Of course, we need to add a pricing section. For my simple website, I'm going to choose a single price option since I'm going to be selling something as exclusive as a one product store. For that, we can leverage the tilebit.io tool. This is a powerful tool that will allow you to filter for Framer-only sections and giving you access to pre-designed components. That way you can quickly customize it and save a ton of time in the process. So navigate to tilebit.io and then filter for Framer-only sections. Browse the pricing section options and select one that fits your needs and your store identity. Copy the selected component from Tilebit and then in Framer paste it directly into the default desktop view. After that, you need to customize the content to fit your own theme. For the tagline, you can change it to something more catchy, and for the pricing itself, this will obviously vary depending on your store. I'm going to set a mock price of $50. And now that we have our pricing section in place, let's style it to match our overall design. For the typography, change the font to match your predefined styles. Use the H3 style for the main pricing text to make it stand out. For the colors, I'm going to adjust the background color to match my theme, and I'm going to go with blue as my primary color. You can adjust the border radius of the pricing card for a more sleek appearance. So no matter how you customize it, remember the goal is to make it look custom and cohesive with the rest of our design. Absolutely don't be afraid to experiment with different styles until you find something that feels right for your brand. Another crucial element in my opinion is the frequently asked question section, as potential customers might have a lot of questions that are frequently asked obviously, so providing clear answers to them can help build trust and reduce any customer service inquiries that might be redundant. And for that we can return to Tilebit again and then search for the frequently asked question components. Choose one that fits your aesthetic and look for one with a clean design and easy to read typography. So you want to add it into our Framer project again in the default desktop view. Custom the colors to match your theme, and then you can update the content to address potential questions about your site's niche. Some examples might include, is it safe, for example if you're selling a product, or what kind of training is required if you are selling a course. And the great thing that you will notice about using Tilebit components is that they come in with built-in functionality. The next part is creating a footer, as a footer is an essential part of any website, providing additional navigation and important information. So you might want to include links to important pages, social media icons, and perhaps a newsletter sign-up. And to create it, we want again to go into Tilebit and then search for footer components. I highly recommend selecting a simple, clean footer design that includes any navigation links, the social media icons, and a newsletter sign-up form. Adjust the colors again to match your theme. The footer that you add might have a generic logo, so you want to replace that with your own logo. So definitely don't forget to do that. And then update the navigation links to match your site structure. So consider including links like About Us, maybe Safety, or Training, and Contact. If you choose to continue with a newsletter sign-up form, then perhaps you want to add a catchy phrase, like for example, stay updated with our products or launches. To make the website feel more dynamic and engaging, you might want to add some subtle interactions and animations. For that, you can add the hover effects, as you can add hover effects to buttons or navigation items. For example, buttons that could glow lightly when hovered over. It just adds a dynamic effect to your website. You can also use Framer's built-in scroll animations to have elements fade or slide in as the user scrolls down the page. And finally, once you have all of your sections in place and you have added some interactivity, let's publish our site and review what we've created. For that, you want to use Framer's publish feature to make your site live. Open the published site in a new tab and then go through it as a user would. Of course, I could spend more time customizing my site and making it look perfect, but this goes to show that you can create a responsive and a consistent site that also looks great on various devices. All that without adding a single line of code. And with that, we will have reached the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Let us know what you think of it in the comment section down below, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make related to this one.